Get a feel for the 2012 Honda CR-V. This vehicle still has fewer than 90,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek, tech-savvy CR-V. Loaded with convenience features to make your life easier, all-weather capability, and premium styling, this small SUV is the perfect complement to your active lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.